Hey guys, we're here at South Korea. And we're here to go on tours, food, and many cool places. So let's go. Starfield, hey guys, this is the Starfield collection. It is the best malls in Seoul. And we're gonna check out the Starfield library. Let's go. Guys, this is the last part barbecue. Hey guys, this is the famous Olive Young. This location is the largest Olive Young. And guys, we're here at the beauty clinic. This is where my mom's gonna get beauties to make her young again forever. Guys, I'm wearing a hanbok because we're going to the palace. Hey guys, we're here at the Gyeongbokgung palace, and we're here to see statues. This palace was from Gyeongbokgung palace. And this is how you get inside. In order to get inside, you have to wear this hanbok. Hey guys, this palace was from the 14th century. Hey guys, take a look inside the palace. Hey guys, and we're having Korean barbecue. Hey guys, so today I'm eating egg. Here it begins now. Delicious. It tastes like bacon. Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to eat the Korean meat with. Here's the tip. Here, put with egg, and then add salt.
Oh, not a lot, just dip. Otherwise it'll be too salty.
And then there. Yeah, now eat it. With spoon. Delicious. It tastes like pizza. And the rating is 200 out of 10. Hey guys, we're here at the market. And we're here to try out new foods. Let's check out new foods.
I mean, like, I'm sure they can try mixing some. Huh? You can try it and pass it on to your parents. The Aussies will drink it for you otherwise. That's water.
But the texture is the same, or is it supposed to be more like
So it's a
softer?
We're here at Seoul Tower. This is the highest point in South Korea. Hey guys, we're here at I'm at the top, very tallest building in my life, which is 115 floors. I calculated from 380 meters. Hey guys, we're here at the Seoul University. Guys, we're here at Japanese anime. Guys, we're here at the One Piece. And in this One Piece is my favorite anime show. Hey guys, we're at Hanbok, and I know it sounds rhyming with Hong Kong, but we're not. We're normally performers here. Hey guys, we're at the Harry Potter Cafe. Hey guys, there's technically 5 to 6 floors. Let's get inside. He's not gonna eat you. He's not gonna. And this is the last dinner in South Korea. And we're trying beef. Here it begins now. They're delicious. It tastes like bacon.